Did you know that over 300,000 new computer viruses are created every single day? This means your PC faces constant threats that could compromise your data and slow down your system. Taking the right precautions is essential in protecting your digital life. In this video, we'll guide you through straightforward, effective steps to keep your computer safe, secure, and running smoothly. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect CIC, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Viruses can slow down your computer, steal your personal information, and even lock you out of your files. Despite these serious risks, many people are unaware of how straightforward it can be to safeguard their devices. This video will explain the problem and provide practical solutions you can follow to protect your PC effectively. Here are 5 key strategies that can help you safeguard your computer against threats. Install antivirus software. Installing trusted antivirus software is a crucial first step in safeguarding your computer. Antivirus programs act as an active security system, continuously scanning your device to detect and neutralize threats before they can cause harm. With numerous options available such as Windows Defender, Avast, and Bitdefender, you can choose a solution that fits your needs and budget. Reliable anti-software not only protects against viruses but also helps prevent malware, ransomware, and other cyber threats, giving you the peace of mind as you use your PC. You can purchase antivirus software from reputable retailers both online and in shops, where you'll find a wide range of antivirus programs suited for different devices and budgets. This makes it easy to find and install the right protection for your PC. Keep your system updated. Keeping your operating system and applications up to date is one of the most effective ways to protect your PC. Software updates often include critical security patches that can fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit to gain access to your system. By regularly installing these updates, you can close potential entry points for malware and viruses, significantly reducing the risk of infection. Beyond security, updates can also improve your computer's performance and introduce new features that can enhance your overall experience. Enabling automatic updates ensures you stay protected without having to remember to check manually, making it a simple yet powerful defense in your cybersecurity toolkit. Keep your system updated. You can access the update settings through your computer's control panel or system preferences. For Windows users, this typically involves navigating to Security, Update and Security, Window Update, where you can check for and install the latest updates. For Mac users, you can find updates under System Preferences, Software Update. Regularly reviewing these settings and allowing your device to update automatically helps maintain optimal security and performance. Be careful with email attachments. Email attachments can be a common way for viruses to infiltrate your computer. It's important to be cautious and avoid opening attachments from unknown or unexpected senders. These files may contain harmful software disguised as invoices, urgent messages, or other seemingly important documents. If you receive an attachment you're unsure about, it's safer to delete the email or verify its authenticity with the sender before opening. Many email services like Gmail and Outlook offer built-in spam filters and warnings to help identify suspicious messages. Familiarizing yourself with these features and regularly reviewing spam or junk folder can help you stay protected. Discover more expert tips and tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Use strong passwords. Using strong, unique passwords is essential to protect your account and personal information. Weak passwords can be easily guessed or cracked, leaving your data vulnerable to hackers. A strong password typically includes a mixture of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. To manage multiple complex passwords, consider using a password manager, which securely stores and autofills your passwords across devices. Many password managers also offer features like password generation and security alerts if your credentials are compromised. You can set and update your passwords for your account settings on websites and apps, and it's a good practice to change them regularly to maintain security. Alternatively, you can write these passwords down in a notebook for more security. Back up your files. Backing up your files often ensures you won't lose important data if your computer becomes infected with a virus or experiences hardware failure. You can back up your files using cloud storage devices like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, which automatically syncs your data and makes it accessible from any device. Alternatively, you can use an external hard drive or USB stick to manually copy your files. It's important to schedule regular backups and verify your backups copies are complete and accessible. Many operating systems include built-in backup tools, such as Windows Backup and Time Machine on Mac, which can simplify the process. So, to recap, install antivirus software, update regularly, avoid suspicious emails, use strong passwords, and back up your files. These 5 steps will keep your PC safe and secure. Whether you're learning to spot scams, use your camera, or connect to Wi-Fi, we're here to support every step of the way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Want to learn more? Visit our website below. For in-depth articles and expert advice, we're here to help you level up your digital skills.